everybody, thanks for tuning in to this week's episode of Ergonomic Problem Solving Series. So what I want to go over it today, we've actually redesigned our tool mount application data sheets. And the reason I wanted to go over this is it's so crucial and vital that we get as much information as we can filled out on these. You know, just if it's distribution, just write the distribution company name there, the end user's name, just the brand of tool. You know, as you can see, I brought a couple, different props with me here. So we've got two different tools here. Obviously, they're not the exact same things, and they have different torque ratios that they run at. So from there, just the different brands, the different models, they mean everything to us. And then you'll see here on the right side of the page, a 90-degree tool versus an inline tool. At the same token, how are you doing your fastening? So as we go down the torque output that we're looking at is right here. Then from there we're looking at the weight of the tool, because actually if you were here you could see that this tool is lighter than this tool. So at the same token, the counterbalancing aspect of the arm, we need to make sure we pick the right arm, pick the right cylinders, get everything right for you the first time, not well after the project's in your hands and you're wondering what's going on because we didn't ask the right questions. As we move forward, this is where you would indicate what type of fastening that you're doing. Then on the back side here, torque reaction, perpendicularity, counterbalancing the tool. Of those three, which one are you really after? After that, then it's the distance, because with all the types from the low torque all the way up to the high torque, we have different arm lengths. I mean, if you were standing next to me, I'm sure your arms are either longer or shorter than mine, and that puts us on the right product for the right solution for you. And then obviously pictures, those help dramatically, tell this story to the engineers when we're creating custom solutions. And even filling this out, it might help you get a standard product even faster, so that way we can review it. Any questions, give me a call. Let me solve your problem today. 419-738-8162.